So when you're a seller, you want a financial benefit to selling your home. Everybody wants benefits. One financial benefit to using the Oliver team is that we give you a sliding sale commission. So it's in our listing packet, it's in writing. We basically do a 6, 5, and 2% listing. 6% is when we do our marketing, we do our photos, we market your property, we do open houses. We have probably 175 to 200 things that we do to market each property that we sell. If we do all of those things, you owe us 6% because we are giving 3% to a buyer's agent that is represented by another firm. If when we market these items, we are able to pull our own buyer, I have multiple realtor partners on my team that have the ability to take over this buyer. If they take over this buyer, we automatically drop your commission to 5% because we believe in win-win-win. So if you win, we win. So if we're representing both ends, you get a commission check. Everybody makes more money that way, and it just makes sense. The 2% is if you come to the team and you're like, Adrienne, I already have a buyer. All I need you to do is make sure that the contract is legal. I need you to cross all the T's and dot all the I's. That's only a 2% because I actually haven't incurred marketing expenses. Those are advantages of selling with the Oliver team. We would love to discuss them with you in person and figure out what fits your needs best and go over additional advantages to selling with the Oliver team.